Hello children, happy Friday. Welcome to our English class. Today let us continue learning more about the tenses, that is continuous tenses. Before going into the next part, let us have a quick recap of what we have learnt in yesterday's class. I have done from 1 to 7, right? From 8 to 15 I have given you as a homework which you need to do. You need to fill the sentences with the correct form of the verbs. 8th one, from 8 to 15, I'll read out the answers for you. Just check. While we were sleeping, the thief entered the room. The ambulance was carrying a patient to the hospital. 10th one, he fell down and broke his arm. 11th, Reena never listens to what others were saying. 12th, Varun is eating an ice cream. 13th, the train will be leaving in an hour. 14th, in winter it snows in England. 15th, I posted the letter yesterday. So these are the correct answers, children. I appreciate everyone. Most of you have done all the sentences correctly. Very few have done little mistakes. No problem. Try to understand the concept. You will overcome that. Now let us see the next part. In the same page, you'll be finding this. See it, children. Let us start. Rewrite each sentence changing the tense of the verb to that mentioned in brackets. One has been done for you. So we need to change the sentences given with the help of the tense form given in brackets. One is being done for you. I have done few more sentences so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let us see the first one. It is raining. You need to convert this it is raining into future continuous. Future means, what are the words we usually use for future? Will or shall forms, right? Continuous tenses will be ending with this words like ing. All the ing forms are called as continuous forms, right? So now how we will be changing this sentence? In this sentence, what is the verb, children? It is raining. In this sentence, what is the verb? What is an action word? Is raining, right? So how this is raining will be changed into future continuous? Let me show you. If you observe in this present continuous singular, the third person, he or she or it is playing. It is raining. We need to convert this into future continuous. Now compare this it is playing to future continuous singular, that is he or she or it will be playing. So converting it is playing into will be. The future form will be will be. It will be playing. So we need to write there it will be raining. Yes, the same is the answer, right? So in this way you need to check the sentences in that page so that you can write the answers correctly. Second one, she sleeps on this bed. Simple past. You need to change the sentence into simple past. What is an action word here? Sleeps, right? Sleeps is a present form. What is the past tense of sleep? Slept. So in the simple past, it is not continuous tense to add ing form. It is simple past. So you need to add the past tense of the verb. She slept on this bed. Over. It's very simple. Third one. The water in the kettle was boiling. So what is an action word here? Was boiling. You need to convert this sentence into future continuous, right? So future means will form, continuous means ing form. Okay. The water in the kettle will be boiling. Will be boiling. Was will be converted into will be boiling. See here, was means past continuous, right? I was playing. So here I was is being converted to will. But actually here singular first person was is first person future tense singular will be shall be, right? But here water, I means single. But water is not single. We have many. That is plural form. Water is a plural form. That is the reason here we have added will be. The water in the kettle will be boiling. Next one. Fourth one. The light of the moon turned everything to silver. You need to convert this into simple future. Simple future means will be form. Will be or shall be form, right? So what is an action word here? Turned. Turned is an action word. Means it is a verb. So we need to change the turned into simple future. The light of the moon will turn everything to silver. Right. Next, fifth one. We shall make friends with him. Convert this into simple past. Simple past means ed form, right? You doesn't have any ing forms to. It is not a continuous tense, so we need to change it into simple past. We shall. Here this is written in the future, simple future. We shall. So we need to remove this shall form and make. Make past tense is made. So we made friends with him. This is the right answer. Sixth one. The swallows flew away to a warm land. Convert this into future continuous. This is given in the simple past. You need to convert this into future continuous. What is an action word? I have underlined all the action words, children, so that it will be easy for you to identify. When you are writing, even you do the same. Try to first identify the verb in the sentence, then try to change that verb into the given tense form. The swallows flew away to a warm land. Flew away will be your verb. So, future continuous means will be form and ing form. The swallows will be flying away to a warm land. I have written up because I don't have place to the side. Even you can do the same if you don't have place to write. Seventh one. Molten rock and ash from a volcano buried the city. What is an action word here? Buried. What we have to do? We need to change it into simple future, means will be form. Molten rock and ash from a volcano will bury the city. Will bury the city. Future, the buried is past tense, right? Bury is present tense. So we have added will to bury. Will bury the city. Next. 1 to 7 I have done for you. 2 to 7 I have done for you. Now you need to do from 8 to 15, children. First, in the sentence, read the sentence. In that sentence, try to identify the verb, that is the action word. Then try to convert it into the given tense form. Let me read out the questions for you. They fought with each other for 10 years. You need to convert this into simple future, that is will form. So what is an action word? They fought with each other for 10 years. Fought. Fought is an action word, right? So what is the simple future? You need to convert this into simple future. Okay, fought is a past tense form. What is the present tense for fought? That is fight. Future tense, will fight. So they will fight with each other for 10 years. Very good. Next, 9th. 8 men are rowing the boat. Convert this into future continuous. What is an action word here? Are rowing, right? Future, will be or shall be. Continuous, ing. Blindly you need to remember these, children. 8 men are rowing the boat. You need to convert this into future continuous. 8 men will be rowing the boat. This is the right answer. Next, 10th one. Aditi looks very happy. Convert this into simple past. Aditi looks very happy is simple present. Right? What is an action word here? Looks. Look is a present tense. What is the past tense of look? Looked. So you need to write in simple past. Aditi looked very happy. Next, 11th one. The horses galloped across the field. Convert this into present continuous. Horses galloped. Galloped means running. They run very fast. Usually galloped or galloping will be used for the animals which have four legs, means they can run very fast. So the horses galloped across the field. Convert this into present continuous. Present is or are. Continuous tense is ing form. So the horses are galloping across the field. Right? If it is one horse, we would be writing is. It is plural form, that is horses. We have written are. The horses are galloping across the field. Very good. Next, 12th one. In winter, the trees shed their leaves. Convert this into simple future. Means will be form. In winter, what is an action word here, children? Shed. Right? Shed. You need to add will be form. Okay. In winter, the trees will shed their leaves. Over. Next, 13th one. Our teacher told us a funny story. Convert this into present continuous. What is an action word here? Told. Told is written in the past tense form. So now you need to write it into present tense. Told is past tense. Present tense will be tell. Present continuous tense will be ing form, that is telling. So our teacher is telling us a funny story. Next, 14th one. Do you go to school? Convert this into simple past. What is an action word here? Go. Go is present tense, right? What is the past tense of go? Went. So, do you went to school? We doesn't ask, right? What is the past? How can we change into the past form do to did? So you can say like this. Did you went to school? Good. 15th one. They built the bridge in a year. Convert this into simple future. Simple future means will be form. How can we write? They built the bridge in a year. The future tense will be they will build the bridge in a year. Very good. You can complete these sentences very easily only if you understand this page. If you understand this concept, you can easily convert the sentences into the given tense form. It can be simple present, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, future simple, simple future or future continuous, any kind of thing. You can simply change if you are perfect with these tense forms. Please, when you are writing, refer to this page and then write the sentences. It is very easy if you understand. Try to understand this concept perfectly. Then only, it is not useful only for second, third class, only for lesson so and so number. No. If you learn this concept, it will be useful for your lifetime, children. Understood? When you speak or when you learn, all these we will be using, right? So this will be useful for you in your lifetime. So try to learn the concept perfectly. Thank you. And you need to do this in your textbook itself, that is page number 36 and 37. Have a nice day.